Hi everyone, hi my friends. This is Mock Artist Education, and Mock Artist Education will give you some new thoughts and idea how to increase your thinking power and how to increase your thoughts and willpower. So this topic is will be very interesting, and many people they are we I see I have seen many people they read lots of book, but when they want to say something, but they cannot say something English. But why? This is my topics why you cannot speak easily and how to you can speak easily. So today I will give you some new thoughts and idea how to develop your thinking powers. And today's topic is what did you do yesterday? This is a common question of what did you do yesterday. Many people can say what did you. Many people can say they are only say what is your name, what is your father name, how old are you, what does your father do, what does your mother do, but they knows I want to say something, and when um, I say to them, where did you do yesterday, but they cannot say easily. When did you do yesterday? This topic is very important for us. When you say what did you do yesterday, like this past tense will come from your mouth, then you think like when you say something, where do you start our conversation? So I don't go for morning walk every day. When I wake up in the at 6 a.m. and I go to the morning walk, and when you come back from morning walk, then I wash my face and mouth. Then this line also you can say, when I wake up, then I freshened up. This is, but you can also this line also you can say, I wake up every day. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I have completed my daily activities. Then I go to the market and I buy some vegetables, and I go back in my house. Then I prepare all day long what I do, what I will do. I go for about my work according to the rules. Then today I will tell you what did you I did what I did yesterday. Yesterday means this topic is also past from, very important, but many people they are learn tense like a past from, but they don't speak easily. What did you do yesterday? Previous day what did I do? Previous day what I did do? When I woke up in the 8 o'clock, then I freshened up, and I started my classes. Then I went to the market for I want to buy um, some things. Then I go to the Batala market. Then Batala market I went. I met their friends, and he said to me, um, I I said to him, these things like these are the things. It is not a pen. These things where I can get these things, and like a laser light. And he said to me, you cannot get here, you go to the supermarket, then you can get. Okay, I will go there, and I go there. I went there, then I searched many shops. Like I found a shop there, and I said to him, how much this? And he said to me, these two things, 214 rupees you should be paid. And I said to him, no, I will give you only 200. Then he agreed, and I went back. So like this topics, and you can say easily, and you practice every day. Every day you can say something and don't hesitate. You do mistake. When you cannot say anything, you cannot learn anything. You can say something and you do mistake, then you will learn something new things. They are like English. Why English comes from our your mouth. When you say something, then you come from your mouth. When you cannot say something, English is not come from your mouth. Then I go to the then my topics are finished, and I hope you can learn something new. If you learn something new, you like and subscribe these channels and hit the bell icon, and I will bring you new video soon. Bye bye, tata.